I'd like to start this video the reading from one of my favorite books, from John Muir. Find it fitting. Yeah, this could be the start. Something beautiful written by him. It says, "A heart beating in every crystal and cell." John Muir imagined his heart beating to the divine rhythm of the universe, in which everything is connected in harmonious order. Quote, "Another big day, enough for a lifetime. I am holding an easterly course, the deep canyon of the Tenaya Creek on the right hand, Mount Hoffman on the left, and the lake straight ahead about 10 miles distant. The summit of Mount Hoffman about 3,000 feet above me." He writes, "The rocks, the air, everything speaking with audible voice or silent, joyful, wonderful, enchanting, banishing weariness and sense of time. No longing for anything, now or hereafter, as we go home into the mountain's heart. The level sunbeams are touching the fir tops, every leaf shining with dew. On I saunter in freedom complete, body without weight as far as I was aware. No Sierra landscape that I have seen holds anything truly dead or dull, or any trace of what is manufactories is called rubbish or waste. Everything is perfectly clean and pure and full of divine lessons. When we try to pick out anything by itself, we find it hitched to everything else in the universe. One fancies a heart like our own must be beating in every crystal and cell. And we feel like stopping to speak to the plants and animals as friendly fellow mountaineers. Nature as a poet becomes more and more visible the farther and higher we go." John Muir, journal entry, July 27th, 1869.